You want to make sure your patient's skin is clean and dry, and your hands are clean and dry. And I always start at the bottom because, again, I want to move the energy up. You can roll on the neck, but the skin on your neck is thinner than the skin on the rest of your body. So you roll very gently on the neck. Can you feel? Yeah, it's like a million little. Well, you tell me. What do you feel?
Ticklish.
Ticklish. Yeah. Okay. So very gently on the neck. You can roll left to right, up and down. Again, really gently. It's okay. You can laugh. And you just take the roller and you go left to right. And on the chin, you can go up and down, but you really can't go in a diagonal. And then you're going to go across the face and up and down, right? Very gently. When you get to the cheeks, you can go in a diagonal. And again, you don't, go ahead and put your chin down a little bit. So you don't want to roll inside the orbital rim, but you can roll underneath the eye, around the crow's feet area, and across the forehead, left to right. You can roll up and down. Obviously, this isn't painful since she's laughing.
It's not
which
painful.
is
It's ticklish, and then you get quickly desensitized.
yeah, yeah. So you can roll on your nose if you have large pores. Again, very gently around the nose, and then the top of the lip.
And the amount of brushing you're doing on each location, that's all you need to do?
Yep, just back and forth.
So just a few swipes.
Just
and
a few swipes back and forth. And then, again, once your skin, this is the first time she's ever had this done. Once your skin gets used to it, you can roll a little more. But it's like aerating your lawn. So you just want to create channels in every direction, okay? And if the skin's a little thicker, like on the forehead, you can roll kind of back and forth over the lines a little bit. And then you would apply whatever serum you had.